Hello, and this last recording concerns the new way to use SurveyMonkey NOMS. So, as you can see, there are a lot of links to the SurveyMonkey throughout the database. So we will click on the SurveyMonkey link, and it takes us directly to the first page of the NOMS. So this should all look fairly familiar. So then we would just click next. And then from here, you would still have to put in the CID. So I'm just putting this in for now. Click yes on here that they have enrolled a trip. So you have 0000. Yes, the client has enrolled in trip. And then from here, click next. It will ask you again for their CID. As usual, you'll put it in, and then it will ask you if this is a new client. No matter if this is a new client or not, click no. The reason is you've already entered in the information that you used to have to enter it into SurveyMonkey. We've now just put that into the Access database, so you do not have to worry about putting it again into SurveyMonkey. So you are simply going to be putting this into just the knobs into here. So then you would just say no, next. And then from here, is it a baseline, a reassessment, or a discharge? And you would follow the same order. So if it was a reassessment, you don't have to worry about this if you don't know it. If you don't know it, it's totally fine if you don't happen to know which reassessment you happen to be on. It's totally fine if you do not know. So just put in a number and then whether or not the interview was conducted, and you go through the same process that you would typically. So I just wanted to show you this because you don't have to do everything that you used to do in SurveyMonkey. Because the idea is that first page that you used to have to do if somebody was new is now all here in the client enrollment form. That way you don't have to enter it all in two different places. And one other trick of the trade I just want to show you. Sometimes a form or a list may not have the close form button or return to main menu or one of those buttons. So instead, if you want to, you can always click the X up here and it will just take you out of that screen and you can just, it will return to the previous screen. So that is it for the videos of the trip database. As mentioned previously, we are continually trying to update this, so there could be more videos beyond this, particularly as we add more information. Thank you.